I promise you I'm gonna finish it in the last summary, in the last video. As you can see, we just as soon as we clean up, before we just uncomment the reducer, we still could see the output of the map. As soon as we uncomment the reduce, we don't see the output of the map. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just uncomment. You already have this information in the last videos, but maybe okay, just the quality of the sound is getting better, and that's what's the reason I just explained almost everything to. Okay, what I'm doing here, I'm just introducing the count as 0, and I have a sum of all because I want to write the sum of all the word. That's why I'm just introducing the one variable of the sum of all, and I just count 0. Okay, I'm saying that okay, for every word, the Hadoop sending the array of the values. The values is saying, for example, for the for the beer is sending the key as a beer, and one array of the value. The value, what is the value? Value is the am1111. For example, beer 11111111 is the number of the word, because the one I'm talking about is the same as this one. If you write 100, it's going to be 100, 100, 100, 100. There's nothing coming from out of flu. Everything is here. This is your cooking. What you cook, what you test. There is nothing coming from different places. Okay, that's why here the values is coming 11111, whatever you have already written in the map, and the key is gonna be not, because there is no point to sending the 3 times 3 times beer, 10 times love or whatever. That's why sending the word as a key and the values in the array. What I have to do, I have to just count it. These lines only, what is this for? This one is only counting. Okay, I have to comment this one first. This one is only counting the number of the value. Even doesn't care about the value. You see, in the original is getting the value .get, but I just change it to the count plus plus. That means the counting the number of value, and at the end is gonna write it the key, because key is the word, and the counter as well, and is gonna sum of the count. The count is going to add it to the sum file. That means at the end of the program, end of the run of the reduce, we're gonna have the number of the words in the sum of all. That's why I'm writing in that at the end. Okay, let's run the program and see what's happening. But there is something important I want to explain to come to this point about the combiner. It's very important, you know, the combiner is like me and you having money, and we want to see how much we have money all together. Okay, imagine you have many coins and paper note money. You have already, I have already. Okay, what is the best way? Okay, the first way is it says, okay, let's put everything we have on the table, and you put everything on the table as well. Is it like a map? And let's count it together, bringing all the money, mix all the money together, and see how much we have. This is going to be the reducer. Okay, but because the reducer function has a lots of traffic, reducer is not involving only the data node, is involving the whole network. That's why if you bring doing everything, most of your job on the reducer, you just increase your traffic, network traffic. What about different way? What about if I tell you count your money? Okay, just you put your own money on your own table. I'm gonna put my money on my own table. I'm gonna count it myself. You counted yourself, this is the combiner. Okay, and at the end I'm saying that how much you have money. You say I have £300, and you say how much do you have money? I have 2p. You just add together £300 and 2p. This reduced, when you make the reduced job is less and very light, you're gonna have more because you're involving your network less traffic. Okay, as you can see, this is the that's reducing, bring the every. But if you remember, I showed you about what is my file is a little bit different with the where is the my okay. If you remember, okay, let's start open the other one, and okay, just to bring it here. Okay, just my God, what's happening here? And let's see, go to the H drive, my labs, BD7, victory. Just going to show you. This is my file. Okay, this is a little bit different. Okay, that's all. And okay, what I'm showing you here, it's if I want to face the problem. Okay, before finishing this video, I'm gonna say, okay, do the combiner. What is a combiner? I'm gonna introduce the same class of introducer to the combiner and see what is the output. Okay, that means instead of sending it to the reducer, is gonna send it because the reducer was running before I uncomment the combiner. Reducer was running for the each word, and the values was the 3 times. It was the array of the 3 because of the values. But now combiner is kind of running reduce combining for the data node, and is not this 4. When you do the combiner, this 4 is only run for the one time, because that's why the count never be more than 1, because is running for the one time. That's why if you want to run the combiner, okay, and just instead of getting the count plus, it's better to get the value, because the value here is not 1 anymore. Now is true 3, because the combiner already counted himself and put it in value. Is not this one is not going to be array anymore. If you run the combiner, these values is going to be array, but it's only have 1 item. That's why if you want to get the right answer, you have to just not just add it 1, because the value that before the value was 1, is obviously was 1, but now is the value is the already is the counted in the okay, I have error. Let's see. What is my account plus let's see, account plus let's, what is that, the class? Okay, it cannot be count, is not gonna be, it cannot be get. Oh, I'm just running out of the time. Just I don't want to get another video. Plus get is a variable count location class into summer reducer. Okay, what is run count? Okay, is not count, is a count. Okay, just is a 9 minutes. Okay, I hope we're gonna see the outputs. Okay, for the next video we're gonna get this information. We're gonna write some code in the main function to read this filter forbidden words from the file. I haven't looked at on the assignment, but I think if we just read in the file, there is nothing else we need for doing the assignment. And I hope you're watching this video and we're doing the assignment come together. As long as we understand the code, we can do it together and change the code and give it to Kevin. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, we got the answer. Thanks God, I don't need to record for the video for the summary anymore. Thank you so much. Please watch the video, and I hope you're not facing any problem.